How to unarchive posts on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily unarchive your posts on Instagram. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have done that, you just want to head over to your profile section. Now, if you are seeing some of your posts or photos missing from your profile, then you most probably have archived those. And if you want to bring them back to your profile, you will need to tap on the hamburger menu on the top right corner. And from there, you'll find how you use Instagram. Under that section, you'll find archives. Go ahead and tap on it and you will see all of your posts archive here. If you want to see your story archive, you can do that as well. Tap on story archive and all of your stories, previous stories, will be visible here. Now go ahead and tap on post archives. Tap on the post that you want to unhide. Tap on the three lines and then tap on show on profile. And once you do this, you'll have to confirm to show on profile. Now this will be restored back to your profile. Now if I go back to my profile, the brown background will be back on my profile. So if I just refresh this and wait for a bit, here I'm able to see this brown background back on my profile. So if you want to do this to all of your posts, just head over to archives, tap on the specific post that you want to add to your profile, tap on the three dots and tap on show to profile. So it's as easy as that. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you on the next one.